Welcome students to the part 2 of chapter number 5 of Engineering Metrology Screw Thread Measurements. In this video, I will discuss about various pitch errors. The pitch errors are the errors in the effective diameter helix measured parallel to the axis of the screw thread. The pitch error may occur if the ratio of the linear velocity of tool and the angular velocity of the work is incorrect, and this ratio must be maintained constant. The total pitch error in overall length of the thread is called the cumulative pitch error. Progressive error is one type of pitch error where the pitch of the thread is uniform but is longer or shorter than the nominal value. This type of error may cause due to the incorrect ratio of linear velocity of tool and the angular velocity of the work. This may also cause due to the pitch error in the lead screw of the lathe or other machines used for thread cutting. Use of incorrect gear on an approximate gear train between the work and the lead screw also causes progressive error. Fault in the saddle guideways and change in length due to the hardening operations are the causes of progressive error. Generally, in progressive pitch error, the graph between the cumulative pitch error and the length of the thread is a straight line. Periodic error is another type of pitch error which repeats itself at equal intervals along the thread. In this type of error, the successive portion of the thread length may either shorter or longer than the mean value. Periodic error may cause when the tool work velocity ratio is not uniform. If the lead screw of the machine lacks squareness, causing the lead screw to move forward or backward once in each revolution. It may also cause due to the eccentric mounting of gears between the lead screw and the spindle, and if errors in the lead screw itself. These type of errors are cyclic and pitch increases to a maximum when reduces through normal value to a minimum, and so on. So, the graph between the cumulative pitch error and the length of threads of periodic error is of sinusoidal form. Drunken error is one type of pitch error which is similar to periodic error but repeated once per turn of the thread in a drunken thread. Here, the pitch is measured parallel to the thread axis will always be correct, but the error arises due to the thread is not cut to the true helix. The drunkenness can be visualized if the screw thread is regarded as an inclined plane wound round a cylinder and if the thread is unwound from the cylinder. The helix will be a curve in case of drunken thread, not a straight line. It is very difficult to determine such errors unless the thread is of very large size. Erratic or irregular errors may vary in an irregular manner along the length of the thread. These type of errors may cause due to the fault in the machine or irregular cutting action resulting from non-uniformity in the material of the screw, or also this type of error may cause due to the disturbances in the machining setup. Now, the part 2 of chapter number 5, screw thread measurement, is completed. We'll be back with part 3 very soon. Thank you students for listening the lecture.